how to quickly move MIDI notes in the piano roll in Logic Pro X using shortcuts. So if I select any of these notes, hold down Alt and use my arrow keys, down or up. Now if I hold down Shift and Alt, I'm going down an octave. This also comes in handy when laying bass, because sometimes I'll play the bass up here to like, what note is, oh, okay, it's that, it's boom. And then I'll play it up here and then quickly bring it down. And to bring it down, I'll just select it, hold down Alt and Shift and go down 3 or 4 or 5 times. And it brings me into my bass range where I'm supposed to be at. Sidebar shortcut I should have put in the first video, holding down Command and left key, right key, or up arrow, down arrow lets you navigate into the canvas as well. It's not nearly as efficient as using the scroll wheel, but something I thought I should throw in here as well while I remembered it. And that applies to both the top and the bottom. Down here, it's a little bit better when you want to fine tune your zoom point. So down here, it works pretty good. And that's how you move MIDI notes using shortcuts in Logic Pro X. Let's go to the next lesson.